Hey you guys, welcome back to another Clean With Me video. Today I'm going to be doing a whole house all day clean with me. The house is just a really huge mess and I wanted to share with you guys kind of the transformation before and after. I do show after pictures after each place that I clean. So I hope you guys are eager and interested to see how this turns out because as you can see, my house is just a disaster. So here we're going to go ahead and start with washing my bedding just because I know that's going to take the longest because I want to wash it on the highest heat and it's going to be a bulk. So it usually goes like over an hour, like an hour and a half. And so that's what I'm doing here. So I'm also going to be washing the padding that we keep under our sheets. That's just an extra protection for our mattress to keep our mattress just in good condition for a longer time. So that kind of prevents like any bug bites in your bed or any kind of things that get built up in your mattress that you won't be able to like really clean out. You have it protected by this extra sheet. So I wanted to go ahead and start downstairs and just kind of clean up this whole area and work my way back up in time for my bedding. So as you can see, we just had everything everywhere and me and Ava are going to clean up today. If you guys are new to my channel and you guys enjoy my video, I would love it if you guys can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video. I post weekly, but I am trying to post a second video a week when I am able to. So definitely comment down below if you're new, letting me know that you turned on your post notifications and just to say hi so I can feature you in a comment of the day.
Usually do.
So luckily I had one of these extra dry mats where I can put my dishes to dry because I like to hand wash my pots and pans and my other mat was just already full. So I'm just putting away some of these towels, these kitchen towels, and we're going to go ahead and do the rest of the dishes. I am using the 7th generation Ultra Power Plus. I really like this dishwashing soap. I've gone through quite a few like non-toxic, more natural dishwashing soap and they just always stain my glasses, soapy stains, things like that. This product really does a good job.
So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. Just stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart.
If you're returning back to my channel, go ahead and let me know how you're doing down below in the comments. At least say hi so I know that you were here. this area is our catch-all space, and I was kind of going through tons of mail, and I know that there's a lot that I really needed to sit down and go through, but I just kind of organized it and took out some of the stuff that I could see was trash and just making it a smaller pile so I can work on it later. So I am using the Method glass cleaner because it's downstairs. I do have another glass cleaner that I do keep upstairs. So this is my least favorite one, to be honest with you. I've used it for a long time and I'm really over the smell. So I'm just using up the bottle. When I turned those pillows around, I didn't realize Ava just turned them around until right now. So I feel bad, but I like to have them on this side during the summer and then the other side around Thanksgiving. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on our iRobot. That thing kind of just vacuums all over while I can clean everywhere else, and then I can go in and mop at a later time. Now we're going to go ahead and head upstairs. So now we're going to go ahead and attack Ava's room, which is a disaster. I didn't deep clean through her drawers or anything, and that's because I need to sit down and refold them. She likes to change her outfit 3 or 4 times a day, and I let her do that and just be free and do it, but I make sure she puts those clothes back in her dresser that weren't dirtied or anything like that. Let me know in the comments down below if you have little kiddos that like to help you clean or be a part of the experience, because she always wants to be in it. Or she'll ask me it's time to clean. It's super cute. If you guys have been a part of my channel for a long time, you've probably seen her in lots of cleaning videos and her wanting to help out. I don't ask her to. I don't make her or anything unless, we're off camera and I'm asking her to clean something up. But she does it completely on her own. It's so funny.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out.
And I had to be real here and just sit down and fold the rest of the laundry out here in the loft. I needed to take a break. My body was seriously aching and just sweaty and hot. So I went ahead and just sat down, folded as much clothes as I could, and then started putting everything away. I hope you don't mind. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit longer than my typical video. I hope you got tons of cleaning motivation. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it to let me know that you liked it. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.